nothing to the man I'm meant to be. No silver spoon, just scars inside of me. I've been down face first on the floor, but pain turned into something I can't ignore. I was lost chasing shadows in the dark. Now every wound just fuels another spark. They don't see what it costs to stand tall, but I kept moving, I survived it all. I'm bleeding, yeah, but I'm still alive. Every scar just proves I didn't die. Pressure made me who I am tonight, built in silence. Now I'm ready to rise. I'm bleeding, but I'm
Bueno, papá, pues yo tengo una chaqueta. Lo que pasa es que se me pusieron muy...
the fear inside me. Turn pain into a reason. From nothing, now I'm climbing. No limits, no more hiding. Life's a fall, no risk, no story. I'm writing mine in glory. I fed on fear, yeah, I made it my fuel. Turned every doubt into breaking the rules. Insecurities buried deep in the grave. I face myself, that's
Hello guys, we are back tonight.
talk loud, but they don't understand. What it takes is to become this man. Every night I was building alone. Now I stand on everything I've grown. No shortcuts, no easy way out. I walk through fire, I live with the doubt. Now every breath is a statement I make. I didn't fold, I refuse to break. I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing. Still rising through the meaning. I killed the fear inside me. Now nothing can defeat me. From nothing, now I'm something. No fear, no more running. Last of all, no risk, no story. This pain became my glory. From nothing to everything I said I'd be, still breathing. Funded mindset. No more chaos. No more chasing. Now I'm moving rules. Lesser for a trader. Nope, nope, no risk. No story. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I don't enter on impulse anymore or out of need. Now I wait for my moment with calm and clarity. I learned it's never just the market, it's the reaction too. And real winning starts with controlling you. I used to chase the money, now I wanna last. I want a steady mind that knows how to act. It's not about moving fast, it's about choosing right. Because the trader who masters himself is already in flight. I left revenge behind, I left the shaking hands. Now I read the screen without begging for a chance. If the entry isn't clean, I let it pass me by. Because real power also knows when not to try. Now I don't follow noise, I follow the plan. I don't follow impulses, I follow the signal. My mind stays cold and my chest stays calm. Because inner control is worth far more. Funded mindset, mind made of steel. Not giving control to panic or the need to feel. Funded mindset, vision that's real. Less emotion, more ability and skill. Not every trade has to be taken, not every loss has to be chased. Funded mindset, now I can see. First I master myself, then I win consistently. I don't need to prove anything to anybody now. The only real enemy was the fear I allowed. The market taught me sometimes through pain that talent means nothing if discipline can't remain. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've seen good traders fall because they in the phase. It's having a mind that stays clean under pressure every day. Now I respect the risk, I respect my pace, I respect the slow days and the setbacks I face. Because if you wanna make it, you have to build within. And the most important account is always the one under your skin. Now I don't follow noise, I follow the plan. I don't follow impulses.
Hello. Yes. Tomorrow's gonna be exciting. We're gonna be streaming since 8:30 in the morning. I'm going to be on the Ninja Trading competition for $100,000.
Being funded doesn't start when you pass the test. It starts the day your mind gets disciplined. It starts when you stop reacting to every move and learn to read, wait, and execute. Because consistency is never born from luck. It comes from the mind that stays solid under pressure. Funded mindset, solid when I move, not letting fear decide what I should do. Funded mindset, now I understand the real transformation started in my mind. If I protect my focus, if I protect my plan, everything else can rise the way it can. Funded mindset, this is the zone where chaos doesn't trade anymore. Discipline takes control. It wasn't magic, it wasn't luck, it was pain turned into control. That's a for trader. No risk, no story.
Funded or finished. No excuses, no noise, no room to lie to myself. Lasted for a trader. No risk, no story.
Hello. Yes.
Where I couldn't keep moving the same. Either I leveled my mind or got swallowed by the pain. It wasn't just about passing the test or chasing capital.
So tonight we're going to be trading. We're gonna try to pass the loser account.
That's how clear it became. Because staying with the same mistakes would've made me fade. I couldn't trade like nothing carry weight. When I knew my future was asking me to elevate. It wasn't about luck or one perfect day. It was about holding myself when the pressure changed. Because funded doesn't come just from knowing where to enter. It comes when your mind learns how to hold through the weather. No giving trades away, no chasing emotion, no letting fear take over the button. Either I rose in level or I drowned right there. And I understood this time it all depended on me. Funded or finished, that was the line. Leave the chaos behind, to lose what could be mine. Funded or finished, mind or collapse, discipline or ruin inside the act. Funded or finished, it wasn't just a result, it was who I would become when the weight got hard enough. Funded or finished, write it in the skin. Because sometimes the next level demands you stop being who you've been. There were days when pressure tried to cloud the red, tried to make me think this was too much for me. But I learned that line is where the truth appears, between the one who wants to win and the one who's willing to change through fear. Funded is not a badge, funded is control. It's knowing when not to enter, it's protecting the goal. It's swallowing the impulse when anxiety gets loud, and still standing tall when the soul feels worn out.
Buenas noches, ya, ¿cómo está la cosa? ¿Todo bien? Vamos a ver qué tenemos hoy. Vamos a tratar de pasar la cuenta de Lucid y de My Funded Future tonight. So My Funded Future, we need to do $300. Adobe it. Just let's go. Let's do it. Tomorrow I'm going to be streaming at 8:30 in the morning, and at 9:30 I'm going to start the competition of Ninja Trader for $100,000 for the first place.
Not every ending looks like a collapse. Sometimes it looks like staying the same and changing nothing. And not every funding moment starts with money. Sometimes it starts when you finally master what used to master you inside. Funded or fin, now I know it well. The real test.
Let me see. Let me do a Okay. So today we have a really nice bounce of almost 1,000 points, and the market hold on the 20 MA. So I don't know if today the market's gonna start going down from here to continue lower, or continue to the highs. And then we hold here on the 4 hour, 2 on the 20 MA, on the 200 MA, on the 2 hour chart we hold up here on the 200 MA. We are being holding on those areas. Let me see what's gonna happen here on the 15 minute. The market's going to continue lower from here. We go short.
No risk, no story. We own the future. Future base edge, clean setups in the glow. No risk, no story. Watch the profits flow.
So
I scan the charts with laser precision, no emotion in sight. Future base signals lighting up my screen every night. Stop loss tight.
we have this area here where the price today was bouncing around.
No risk, no story. This is the upgrade. Future base edge, riding the wave of tomorrow.
No risk, no story.
Laissez for trader, we own the future. Future base edge, clean setups in the glow.
No risk, no story.
Laissez for trader,
Watch the profits flow. From demo to live, I leveled up my game, compounding in silence while others scream my name. The market is a playground for those who see the pattern. I ride the future base wave, no fear, no scatter. Cut losses fast, let winners dance in the light. My edge is evolving, shining brighter every night. No
I like that short there.
execution pure. Less of a trader.
no risk, no story. This is the cure.
Activate your edge. The future is now.
Future base edge. We own the future. Future base edge. We own tomorrow.
No risk, no story.
Laissez for trader.
Feel the power. No risk, no risk. There's no story. No risk, no story. Future base edge. Green days don't make legends. Green days feel good, but they don't build everything. Legends are not made when it's easy. last for a trader. No risk, no story. Green days feel good, I won't lie. They light the room and lift the mind. They make the work feel worth the pain. Like all the pressure finally changed. But green days never taught me how to stay. They never showed me how to hold through weight. They never forced me to face who I was when things got dark and there was no applause. Because winning feels clean when the chart goes your way. But comfort doesn't always shake the frame. And I learned that growth gets written in a harder place. Where pressure is the test.
Is doing the 200 MA working as a resistance?
Doesn't always reveal what you're really built for. That happens deeper. That happens when the shine disappears and you still don't bend. Green days don't make legends. Only show the light. Legends are built in the dark. When it's hard to keep the fire alive. Green days don't make legends.
Hello.
By themselves alone because glory doesn't teach you how to hold your soul. Green days don't make legends. That's the truth I know. It's the hard days that shape you into something gold. I've had green days where everything clicked.
It's working as a
The entries hit, and yes, those moments matter too, but they didn't build
the 200 MA was
the deepest truth.
as a resistance.
When the screen went cold and the winds went away. When I had to decide if I was still the same. Without the
Just getting with one micro.
pain, that's when clarity starts to speak. Now when you're up, but when you're weak. Now when the room is full of praise, but when you keep standing through the grave.
I'm risking like $50 here.
Green can
Not much.
but it doesn't always reveal what you're really built for. That happens deeper. That
Uh,
happens when the shine
yep.
disappears and you still don't bend. Green days
61.
they only show the light. Legends are built in the dark. When it's hard to keep the fire alive.
I'm gonna do the same thing here.
By themselves alone because glory doesn't teach you how to hold your soul. Green days don't make
So this one I'm gonna make it on 75 points because that's all I need to pass the account.
anyone can smile when the chart is green.
Making 78.
Big when the pressure leaves. But the ones who become something
Right there.
real are the ones who keep going when the color changes. Green days don't make legends. Now I see it clear. The best parts of me when I
How you guys doing tonight?
build here. Green days don't make legends. They may celebrate the climb, but the climb itself was built in harder times. Green days don't make legends. Write it in the soul, because easy moments never had full control. Green
Wow, nice.
the code I know
Nice push.
it's what you survive in silence that makes your story.
What happened here?
Green days show results. Hard days build a person.
No man, really?
Can carry them.
I think the other position take out. You see, the other position was out.
No risk, no story.
This one because I lower.
Hold the vision.
Did not take me out. Okay, that was a quick
Even if you can't
trade.
see fully it. Life's a for trader. No risk, no story. Yeah. I hold the vision even when the present doesn't show. Even through great days when the road feels broken. Because not everything great is born with a clear shape. Sometimes it lives inside of us before it takes flight. There were moments when it all felt far away. When all the effort gave me nothing. I could wait, but I learned that vision doesn't always come to shout. Sometimes it only asks that you don't let it drown. This isn't blind faith, it's memory of what I've survived. It's knowing what I carry didn't come here just to die. It's looking past the to hit past what today can show, and still walking forward while I become what I know. Now everything reveals itself when you want it to appear. Some things only open up when you decide to believe. And even if the view right now doesn't say it's close at hand, I still hold the vision, because I know it's going to land. Hold the vision, even if you can't see the end, even if the present looks nothing like what you planned. Hold the vision with control in your mind, because the one who lets it go too soon leaves direction behind. Hold the vision, even when the noise gets loud, because a lot of great things take time before they come around. Hold the vision, that became my truth. Keep believing in silence until it starts becoming real for you. Vision doesn't always feel comfortable or clear. Sometimes it weighs more than any pressure or fear, cause it asks you to keep moving when there's nothing yet to show, and protect inside what hasn't fully grown. But that's also where the real ones separate from the ones who wanted glory with no process to create it. Because holding the vision is not just saying I can, and staying disciplined when nobody sees you advance. That's why I don't panic if it doesn't come fast. I know what has roots doesn't always rise at once. What matters is not selling what was born with truth, just because impatience tries to bargain with you. Not everything reveals itself when you want it to appear. Some things only open up when you decide to believe. And even if the view right now doesn't say it's close at hand, I still hold the vision, because I know it's going to land. Hold the vision, even if you can't see the end, even if the present looks nothing like what you
Hello, hello.
hold the vision with control in your mind.
Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, that was a big candle. So I need to do another $180 for my funded future. So how we doing here on gold? Wow, gold is dropping really nice. Nice. Here's a really nice entry. $100 right there. Okay, I'm gonna get out of this position because this big candle here is gonna look to me like they take this bottom here to continue higher from here. So I prefer lost 10 bucks, 11, yeah, 10 bucks here, and see what's gonna happen here. Because I'm too close to pass this account, too risky.
Not the need to be right, not the fear of red, because the moment I trade to protect my
This is pushing higher from here so far. Now I have this area here to see how the market is gonna react here.
the other brings doubt, so I what flatters my pride. I trade the chart, not my ego. That's the difference now. No need to prove, no need to force. I read the truth and let it talk. I trade the chart, not my ego. I let the structure lead because the market doesn't care who I think I am. It only moves how it moves on the screen. I trade the chart, not my ego. That's how I stay free. Less emotion in the setup, less war inside of me. Ego wants action, ego wants speed, ego wants to recover everything instantly. It hates being wrong, it hates letting go. It would rather lose more than move with control. But the chart asks patience, the chart asks eyes, the chart asks discipline, not personal pride. And when I finally learned to separate the two, my execution got cleaner and my thinking got true. Because trading is not about defending who you are, it's about responding clearly to what's on the chart. And the ones who survive are not the loudest in the room, they're the ones who leave ego out when it's time to move. The chart is clean, the ego is loud. One brings clarity, the other brings doubt. So I stay grounded, I stay in line. I trade what is there, not what flatters my pride. I trade the chart, not my ego. That's the difference now. No need to prove, no need to force. I read the truth and let it talk. I trade the chart, not my ego. I let the structure lead because the market doesn't care who I think I am. It only moves how it moves on the screen. I trade the chart, not my ego. That's how I stay free. Less emotion in the setup, less war inside.
Let's pushing higher.
Ego wants to be right,
That's good that I take my position out here almost to break even
my ego wants control.
because this here.
The chart just shows what's there. So if I wanna win,
Now we need to see how that's gonna be reacting there on 15 minutes.
one leads to clarity.
We have this that go all the way back to here.
I trade the chart, not my ego. That's the rule I keep. Not reacting from pride, not taking
And see how that's gonna work.
trade the chart, not my ego. With the calmer mind in sight because the real edge is not
And the marker
in the market, right? I trade the
pull back
my ego. Now I
to the 61%, within the 61 and 74%. If it's been here earlier, you know that I like the price to do that before continue to the trend.
the market is not a mirror.
So I would like to get some shorts from around this area here for the trend continuation.
Trader, no risk, no story.
So this is gonna be a good area to see the price pulling back to here. If it's going to continue lower.
Lassie for trader. No risk, no story.
And let me see, because we can do here a double touch here. We are at 74 point, I don't know, that's a lot of points.
Watching how the market breathes and keeps on flowing.
And here we got 180.
Not magic in the
This is a big area to play with.
focus, discipline, and being aware. So many want the glory, but they fear the
So for now, let's watch this area here to see how the market's gonna react.
but over here we build with patience.
What I would like to see to get in short,
There is no winning.
I would like to see the market to react something like this. Go under the 20 MA and continue lower.
Candle talking, every zone alive. If you cannot wait, you
I would like to see the the 20 MA to do something like this, like come down here, something like this, and the price got back and go on the 20 MA, and then we can get short around this area here. Guys, tomorrow is gonna be a big stream for me. I'm going to be in the Ninja Trader competition for $100,000. I was invited because last week, out of 10,000 people, I qualified on. I finished on the 32 spot. and tomorrow is gonna be only 100 people, that only by invitation, to be trading on that. So I'm gonna be streaming since 8:30 in the morning. The competition is gonna start at 9:30, and I'm going to be doing a lot of position because I need to trade gold, oil, Russell, ES, MQ, and euro, dollar. Micro, no, they say Forex, future, E3. I don't know if it's this one. I think it's this one. Let me try with this. If I can allow to trade here. Yes, I'm allowed to trade here. I don't know how this move. I never tried this before. But let's say the 6E. But I don't know if it's. Let me see if it's on the micro side. This one. This one is even worse. It's not about. It's not volume here. So maybe it's the other one. I'm gonna have to do this one. Oil, gold, ES, and Q, y el Russell. Okay, the market is pulling back. Thank you, no boundary. Now I want to see the pullback to the 20 MA, and we can go short from there. See. Yeah, that's the pullback that I was looking for. Now I like to see that candle finish under the 20 MA, and then the next red one that take that one, we going down there on there. Need like another minute.
From long nights in the dark, with a war on my mind, from losses that could have buried me deep.
And let me change the count because, and here, you know what, I'm gonna put my, I'm going to copy this two accounts, so I'm gonna use this as a powder and from the future as a save. Maybe I should have here, okay. Okay, I'm going to copy everything here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay. I'm going to copy everything here. He's reacting here again. Look at that. Here, gonna get in only with 1 micro. Let me double check that this is the main. LF. I need $150 and 180 to pass to account. 1 month from the future, I won't lose it. 25K. So I'm going to only 1 micro on the next position. Was going to go to so they increased the, so now they increased the amount of people that is going to be on the competition. Before it was 100 and now it's 114. That's how they out of here. Is 100,000. That's gonna be cool, man. Look at this. Let me put the price here. Okay. The first place is gonna be $100,000. Second and third, 20,000. From 4th to 10, 5,000, and from 11 to 40, 300. And then from 41 to 100, 100. So I'm gonna try to be at least before on the first 10. I'm gonna try to get the first one, but it's gonna be hard. There's a lot of good traders here. And this is the one. And this is the one that I did the other day, last week. Out of 10,000 people, 30, 32. This guy making a lot of money. This one here is the Ninja Trader. The people that trade for Ninja Trader. They call it featured traders. So right now we are waiting here for the price to see how it's gonna react there. It's reacting really, really nice. But I don't know for how long it's gonna be holding there.
No risk, no story. From the pain to the glory. Tonight the session feels a little different. Screens look blessed, but I stay resistant. I do not let one good move make me careless, because the market loves turning sweet into dangerous. I have felt losses deep in the night. I have had dark runs and internal fights.
Okay.
But the one who keeps
Broke the area. That's nice.
turns every scar into a sharper brain. There is no glory without the fall. There is no progress without it all. Every trade is shaping me with patience and responsibility. Session of glory, but I trade with memory. Lassie for trader, no risk, no story. Session of glory, but without euphoria. If I do not protect the risk, I can lose the whole story. I am not trying to look big, I am trying to do it right. Because a consistent trader is not built in one night. Respect the plan, respect the stop.
Putting back in inside that area.
Because the dream in this game is not won by reckless ways. Trade by trade, day by day, I'm held firm, I find my way. Trade by trade, no coward soul, but with control that makes me whole. Session of glory, but I trade with memory. Lassie for trader, no risk, no story. No risk, no session of glory, but without euphoria. If I do not protect the risk, I can lose the whole story. Yeah.
6 minutes for the 8 p.m. push. Oh. No entry for me yet. I was looking for a pullback here to go short from here.
I read the levels and I decide in silence.
Now I think I'm gonna wait for the after 8 p.m. I don't know.
I live by the chart, not by what they wanna see. My routine makes no noise, but it made a strong.
How you guys doing tonight? Any trades so far? I did 2 trades. One I lost $9, and this one 123, 121 actually. So on this account I need $180 to pass, and this one 140. And I have 2 more accounts here. Let me see. This one, this one. So right now I have Lucid, Legend, Alpha Future, Take Profit, Alpha Future. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts.
watching how one candle could say more than it showed. And in that cold language, I found a deeper truth. The one who masters his mind sees with a different view. Because it's never just about winning or losing.
Let me see how the market is reacting here on the here. It's reacting here on the 20 MA2, pushing lower. Looking pretty good for the short side. Let's see if we can make it happen.
The chart doesn't speak in words, but it tells the truth. It shows you the price, and it also shows.
Dale, ya, güey, tranquilo, nos vemos, cuídate, gracias.
If you learn to listen without ego or illusion, it ends up teaching you more than just execution. I live by the chart, now I understand. It was never just the market, it was also who I am. I live by the chart with more calm and control.
Dale, tranquilo, dale, cuídate, estamos hablando. No.
Not everybody understands what it means to live by reading movement, but some destinies are written that way. Life's a for trader, no risk, no story. Living the vision. I used to see it in my mind. Now I'm standing in it. But once felt distant. Now feel.
Me lo digo eso, aguantar.
Life's a for trader. No risk, no story. I used to hold this vision in the dark alone, when nothing in my hands could prove where I was going. I carried it through losses, through silence and delay, through nights where all I had was faith to keep me in the race. There were days it felt too far to ever touch, like the dream was real but life was asking too much. Still I kept moving even when the road stayed cold, because something in my chest refused to let it go. And now I'm standing in pieces.
Now we're about to go short here. Nope.
But it came through everything I was willing to outlast. And now I can feel what I once could only imagine. The vision is no longer far. I'm living inside and living a vision. That's where I am, walking through the things I once held in my hands. Living a vision. After all the pain, after all the nights I had to trust the unseen way. Living a vision. Not perfect but true, built from the pressure and everything I went through. Living a vision. That's the gift I earned. What once lived in my soul now lives in the world. It feels different when the thing you fought for starts to breathe. When what once was invisible begins to stand in front of you. Not because it all arrived in some dramatic way, but because you stayed long enough to see what discipline creates. Now when I look back, I don't just see the pain, I see the bricks it laid, I see what it gave. Every hard season carved something I can stand on now. Every closed door made me stronger somehow. So this is not just victory, this
Huh?
I'm living inside and living a vision. That's where I am. Walking through the things I once held in
Ahora
my
sí, ok.
hands. Living
A lo mejor.
after all the pain, after
A lo
all the
mejor.
nights I had to trust the unseen way. Living a vision, not perfect, but
A lo mejor.
built from the pressure and everything I went through. Living a vision, that's the gift I earned. What once lived in my soul now lives in a world. This is what happens when you don't let go too soon, when you stay through the dark long enough for the light to take shape. Because the vision was never just a dream, it was a future waiting for me to become the person who could hold it. Living a vision, now I understand. It was never about getting lucky, it was about becoming the man. Living a vision with peace in my chest, not because the road was
So we are sure right now.
my best. Living a vision, that's the
When I move my position down here,
silence is finally breaking through.
we should be everywhere. Yep.
Cause what you protect with discipline can one day become your world. What I once prayed for is now part of my life.
I'm going to be a break even soon.
Not all at once, but enough to know it was worth the fight. Lesson for a trader, no risk, no story. Lesson for no risk, no story. Long vision, short steps, no rush, but no pause. Why they talk too much, I stay locked in on the cause. When I was at zero, almost nobody showed face.
Okay, we're doing really nice. It's pushing really good.
I spent so many nights studying with no rush. Little by little, but solid, putting myself through the test. While a lot of people got lost, just chasing the moment, I stayed inside the
Okay, we're on break even in this position.
me in the shadows when everything went dim. When support was running low and even time got grim. A lot of them stepped away, only a few chose to stay. But every closed door taught me how to make my own way. With sacrifice in my chest and exhaustion in my eyes, I did what they called impossible in those quiet midnight fights. And even though I still got more, even though I still must grow, I did not come to settle, I was born to take control. And if they turn their backs on me, I kept my eyes ahead. If they say you can't do it, I got stronger instead. I was not born to give up or live trapped in their opinion. I learned the ones who doubt you never understand your vision. Now as if no risk, no story. Every fall keeps pushing me, every scar still holds my glory. If life tries to hit me hard, I don't run, I rise and go. Because fear will never make history, I was born to let it show. As if no risk, no story. There's no plan B on this road, only faith inside of me. Let the haters keep on talking, let them hope to watch me fall. I stay
Working really nice so far.
there was only one person who stayed.
Like I said, we need 180 and 150 and one or the other.
When the world turned its back, when everything got darker, love kept lifting up my battle, lit a fire in my heart. She saw all of
We can trail this.
my truths on my heaviest nights.
Let's try to trail this here.
She was still there standing tall. That is why I carry her loyalty deep inside my soul. And the market taught me how to see this life a different way. Feet down on the ground, mind focused far away. Because a trader stands alone in silence.
377. Let's put down 377.
Everybody really counts. The market made me colder, but it never killed my soul. It taught me how to guard my energy and stay in control. To value those who stay when everything is going wrong. Because in loss you learn who's real and who was fake all along. I don't look at people now the way I did.
This is gonna trail, so we're gonna take this one out of here. And we're gonna bring this. I assume we got some more red candle.
From a distance but that look like what happened now. When before they would not take one step or show me how. Too much noise on the stage, but weak when pressure came. I did not need to play pretend. I answered through my chains. They got stuck in all the talking. I moved straight into the action. They were speaking on a dream. I was living with direction, and it's not revenge I carry. It's memory and control, but it stings to see the real one came up from that same dark hole. To the ones who doubted my steps, they can watch me without a sound. Because the ones who laughed too early never last another round. No fake shining, no loud posing. Never asked the crowd for help. My answer came in silence. That's why they feel it for themselves. Oh, last before, no risk, no story. If you never bleed for your dream, you never write your story. Long nights built the man I am. Pain only made me grow, and today I walk with more strength. I'm not turning back no more. Last before, no risk, no story. One life, one plan. Only am I still on the glory. To the haters, I respond with my work and with my level. I did not come to quit. I was born to beat the pressure. Long vision, short steps, no rush, but no pause. Last it for no risk, no story, no plan B. Only vision, only faith. Last it for no risk, no story. Long vision, short steps, no rush, but no pause. Why they talk too much, I stay locked in on the cause. When I was at zero, almost nobody showed face. Too many we got, you was just fake love out of place. I spent so many nights studying with no rush. Little by little, but solid, putting myself through the test. While a lot of people got lost, just chasing the moment, I stayed inside the battle, building in silence, fully focused. They saw me in the shadows when everything went dim. When support was running low and even time got grim. A lot of them stepped away, only a few chose to stay. But every closed door taught me how to make my own way. With sacrifice in my chest and exhaustion in my eyes, I did what they called impossible in those quiet midnight fights. And even though I still got more, even though I still must grow, I did not come to settle, I was born to take control. And if they turn their backs on me, I kept my eyes ahead. If they say you can't do it, I got stronger instead. I was not born to give up or live trapped in their opinion. I learned the ones who doubt you never understand your vision. Now as if no risk, no story. Every fall keeps pushing me, every scar still holds my glory. If life tries to hit me hard, I don't run, I rise and go. Because fear will never make history, I was born to let it show. As if no risk, no story. There's no plan B on this road, only faith inside of me. Let the haters keep on talking, let them hope to watch me fall. I stay firm inside my purpose, I'm not breaking it all. There was only one person who stayed right by my side. That woman never failed me through the cold and through the fight. When the world turned its back, when everything got darker, love kept lifting up my battle, lit a fire in my heart. She saw all of my scars, saw my process and my truth, saw my heaviest nights and the hunger of my youth. When nobody placed a bet, she was still there standing tall. That is why I carry her loyalty deep inside my soul. And the market taught me how to see this life a different way. Feet down on the ground, mind focused far away. Because a traitor stands alone in silence, pain and doubt, and learns that in this life not everybody really counts. The market made me colder, but it never killed my soul. It taught me how to guard my energy and stay in control. To value those who stay when everything is going wrong. Because in loss you learn who's real and who was fake all along. I don't look at people now the way I did before. Now I read the silence, their actions and much more. Because price never forgives and life don't forgive it too. If you don't open up your eyes, the fake ones bury you. Let them talk, let them lie, let them keep that little show. I move quiet, no big flex, no empty talk to throw. Too many fake brothers, too many cardboard hugs. A couple artists taught me how to read what people does. I wasn't made yesterday, now I know how to see. Not everybody clapping for you really wants you free. Time puts every person right where they belong in the end. And the one who learns through fire does not break, he bends. Now they watch me from a distance with that look like what happened now. When before they would not take one step or show me how. Too much noise on the stage, but weak when pressure came. I did not need to play pretend, I answered through my chains. They got stuck in all the talking, I moved straight into the action. They were speaking on a dream, I was living with direction. And it's not revenge I carry, it's memory and control. But it stings to see the real one came up from that same dark hole. To the ones who doubted my steps, they can watch me without a sound. Because the ones who laughed too early never last another round. No fake shining, no loud posing, never asked the crowd for help. My answer came in silence, that's why they feel it for themselves. Oh, last before, no risk, no story. If you never bleed for your dream, you never write your story. Long nights built the man I am, pain only made me grow. And today I walk with more strength, I'm not turning back no more. Last before, no risk, no story. One life, one plan, only am I still on the glory. To the haters I respond with my work and with my level. I did not come to quit, I was born to beat the pressure. Long vision, Short steps, no rush, but no pull. Last and fall.
Sí.
No risk, no story, no plan B. Only vision, only faith.
So I throw this, and that was my TP. Now I need for this account, need to take it to 500. I need like $60. And for this one, which one? Let me see, this one, I need like 30.
It also fills the mind with noise. And when you trade from fear, most of the time you are not thinking, you are wounded. You started with one entry, then another one went wrong. I tried to fix it fast, and my control was gone. The screen was glowing bright, but my mind was a storm. Every loss that came through hit my chest even more. It was not strategy, it was not execution. It was anxiety mixed with anger and confusion. Every stop loss hurt deeper than the trade, because it was not just money, it was probably in a race. One account, then another got burned. On the outside I looked steady, but inside I was torn. Chest tight, breathing short, silence stuck in my throat. My mind was saying stop, but my ego answered no. That is when a trader stops seeing clearly. Mistakes, desperation for discipline completely. He wants to fight the market, he wants it back right now. But when you trade broken on the inside, everything falls apart somehow. Losing streaks do not only take your money, they hit your mind and leave your spirit empty. They fill you up with guilt, frustration, fear, make you lose the account in your direction here. When there is no control and everything is impulse, you are not fighting the market, you are sinking in your own wounds. And the hardest lesson pain will ever show is before you went outside, you have to heal below. Lasted for a trader, standing in the pressure. No risk, no story, but with self-control forever. Because not every risk deserves execution. If your mind is at war, protect your condition. Then came the poison called revenge trading. That voice in your head saying take it back, make it pay me. Size up right now, you cannot leave like this. If the market took from you, now it owes you this. So I jumped in blind, no patience, no real plan. I was not looking for an edge, I just wanted revenge at hand. No confirmation, no breathing, no pause. Because once revenge takes over logic, yeah, it's lost. Every entry got bigger, more violent, more wild. Like a broken account could be fixed through denial. But the market does not argue, it just charges the price. And the trader ruled by vengeance gets broken every time. I try to make back in an hour what I lost in a month. Try to win with anger what discipline had not done. And inside that war with no judgment left to defend, I learned when pain takes command, losses usually never end. Because there comes a point where pushing forward is not courage, strength, or pride. Sometimes stopping is the real form of discipline inside. Breathe, step back, let go, face yourself with honesty. Because no account is worth more than your stability. Yeah. Losing streaks do not only take your money, they hit your mind and leave your spirit empty. They fill you up with guilt, frustration, fear, make you lose the account in your direction here. When there is no control.
So we are short here. We are trying to pass two accounts right now. And we put this stuff exactly where we need it.
You are not less for stopping, you are not weak for walking away. Sometimes the strongest move is refusing to keep playing. Not everything gets fixed by trading, not everything gets healed by winning. Some wounds need silence,
Sí.
rest, and steady breathing. Closing the platform in time is also a real victory. Because losing one day in the market is not worth losing your peace completely. Then one day I learned that hitting bottom was not the end. It was the loudest.
On 15 minutes, we're looking really nice. This trade is really nice to let it run all the way Probably the down here. Let me see if I can just. Okay. And take this off. And make this as a 5. Sí.
No risk, no story. Midnight. Screen glowing. Mind cold.
¿Para qué trabajando rápido?
Sí, se desbloqueó. Parece que tiene un momentico para que arranque, pero ya después que arranque, ya sé que tengo que empezar desde las 7. No, la como.
Midnight, I'm still reading every move. City asleep while I'm measuring the truth. No applause, no noise, no distraction in sight. Just the chart breathing in my focus in the night. The screen lights up what most people never see. That behind a good trade, there's control and clarity. It's not about entering from pressure or speed. It's about executing with precision when you read. At this hour, mistakes can weigh a little more, because fatigue tries to blur what you're looking for. But if the mind stays steady and knows how to wait, the night can also reward the ones who stay awake. Steady pulse, cold eyes, everything's silent but the focus stays alive. Opportunity doesn't always speak. Sometimes it shows up when the whole world goes weak. Midnight execution, cold and real when the body slows down but the vision is still steel. Midnight execution, no room to hesitate. Just a clean red and the right time to take. Midnight execution, no show, no fear, just discipline alive in the dark atmosphere. Midnight execution, that's where I learned some of my strongest decisions were made when the outside world disappeared. Not every strong setup arrives with the sun. Some are born late with fatigue still hanging on. And that's where you see the difference in the game between the one who acts from pressure and the one who reads with aim. Because the midnight hours don't forgive illusion. If you're not centered, they expose confusion. But if you enter with calm, with structure, with control, the night becomes a part of how you shape the soul. I've seen how these hours sharpen what you see, forcing you to move with stronger intention and clarity. You cannot waste energy, you cannot click for relief, because at this hour every choice cuts deep. Steady pulse, cold eyes, everything's silent but the focus stays alive. Opportunity doesn't always speak. Sometimes it shows up when the whole world goes weak. Midnight execution, cold and real when the body slows down but the vision is still steel. Midnight execution, no room to hesitate. Just a clean red and the right time to take. Midnight execution, no show, no fear, just fear. Midnight execution, that's where I learned some of my strongest decisions were made when the outside world disappeared. Midnight gives nothing away. It asks for presence, it asks for calm, it asks for truth.
Espérate que esto.
Still less emotion and a sharper will. If the moment shows up, I'll know how to respond without letting fatigue take what I built upon. Midnight execution, write it in the skin.
So it's working really nice so far. That's good.
When the clock got in, the night lowers the noise, and when the noise gets low, execution speaks. Last for a trader. No risk, no story.
Pico tal. Debí ahora en la chancleta.
I saw it clear. I felt it coming, but I didn't enter. And when I finally wanted in, it was too late. Lasted for a trader. No risk, no story. No risk, no story. Yeah. I saw the perfect entry forming right in front of me. Everything was lined up, but I froze.
It's working so far really nice.
When I needed trust the most, and the market moved on fast like I
And let me see, because I think I already passed one account.
screamed with tension in my chest, knowing that was exactly the set
This one is 250.
it all correctly, felt it from the start. But when
We close this one.
hesitation cost me my part, then I watched it run, candle after candle climb.
Why? I closed everything, and I was supposed to not to close everything. Okay, I need $15 for this one.
More than I expected, because this time I really read it right. It wasn't confusion, it wasn't the wrong view. It was pure fear killing what I knew. I missed the move, I watched it go. The door was open, but I moved too slow. I missed the moment, got left behind, watching the market run without me in line. And now it burns, cause it could have been mine, but my own doubt froze me right on time. I missed the move, I had it then it flew, and nothing hurts more than knowing it was true. I wanted to chase it late, but it wasn't the same. The entry lost its edge, it was no longer a clean game. And then the war began, between patience and stress, between letting it go or entering from a mess.
Upgrade to Thunder.
After you saw it start, it settles in your head and keeps pulling you.
So lose it. I just passed lose it, and I already created a Thunder account of lose it. Now we need to finish to pass my Thunder future. I don't know if my Thunder fusion is in instant pass, or I have to wait for the next day.
When I knew I should, it wasn't the market, it was me again. Letting doubt speak louder than the strength within. I missed the move, I watched it go. The door was open, but I moved too slow. I missed the moment, got left behind, watching the market run.
So I can take Lucid. I can disconnect Lucid. And connect it back. I should have the fresh 25k account here. A fresh 25k account. So this is the Thunder account right now.
You don't always lose by entering wrong. Sometimes you lose by never entering it all. Sometimes the pain doesn't come from the stop, it comes from fear when it's time to trust the call. And that wound cuts deep in a different kind of way, because the trader who won't execute can still break. I missed the move, but now I know.
Gonna let this
Cost you more than most.
pull back to the 20 MA.
But now I see, next time I won't run away from me. If I see it clear, I'm going to trust. I won't let fear turn confidence to dust, because sometimes the hardest loss to live through is watching your own trade move on.
Okay.
Not every loss shows up in red. Some of them hit the soul when you know it was there and you still didn't go. Last for a trader. No
By the time that thing goes there, let me do something quickly here.
story.
Those guys, the screen's gonna be black for just 1 second. Oh, no, 1 second, really.
Every loss made me colder and sharper. Every scar turned me tougher, harder, wiser. To all the doubters, I heard enough. You turned my pain into pure fuel.
Here,
No risk, no story,
to need this screen.
no pain, no glory. I turned my hurt into power.
We are getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna have a really nice stream. We both going to be streaming at the same time. She's going to be streaming her Take Profit account and Bullion, and I'm going to be streaming the Ninja Trader competition for the $100,000 first place.
It wasn't luck, it was war. And I'm just so coming for more. No risk, no story. City lights, cold screams, late hours. Nasdaq nights, that's a foot trader. No risk, no story. Nasdaq nights, blue lights on my face, charts glowing in the dark while the whole world slows its pace. Most people sleep, but my mind stays awake, watching every candle move, every level, every break. There's a different kind of silence in the middle of the night when it's just me, the screen, and the
So this is my screen.
no crowd, no noise, no fake applause around. Just pressure in my
That's a
chest,
really nice entry right there.
I learned a lot in these hours nobody sees.
Gonna add one micro there.
Breathe through the heat because the night reveals things daylight never shows. Like who you
I'll
really
take both of them here. That should be enough to pass the account.
Reading signs, cold focus, steady sight. There's something sacred about Nasdaq nights. Nasdaq nights, where I sharpen my soul, where the screen stays bright and the mind stays cold. Nasdaq nights, where the pressure feels right, where I learn how to fight in the middle of the night. Nasdaq nights, no room for lies, just discipline, vision, and tired eyes.
Come on, guys, really? Okay. I should pass that account too. Let me see. 26,507. Awesome. So now we got. Now we can go to Take Profit. So I am on my phone in the future. Let me see if they're gonna allow me to switch to a founder account, or I need to wait for tomorrow to upgrade. No. No, I have to wait for tomorrow. I don't see here where I can do the upgrade. Okay, that's fine. So we pass to account 29. Loser is ready to trade. This one here. And my fund the future, I'm gonna have to wait for tomorrow. So now we were gonna work on take profit. Okay, guys. Now
never gave me anything easy, but it gave me clarity. Faster for a trader. No risk, no story. Trust on the screen, I don't blink, I read. Price action talking, I follow the lead. No guessing moves, no chasing the high. I wait for my setup, let weekends die. EMA lines, I know where they cross. Discipline first, I respect every loss. Was calculated before I press buy. If it don't make sense, I let it pass by. No emotions here, just structure and flow. Market don't care, so I already know. You either adapt or you fade in the chart. This game rewards the sharpest mind and heart. No random trades, no gambling plays. I stick to the plan, I stick to my ways. No risk, no story. No risk, no story. I don't chase money, I master the role. One setup, one focus, that's all I need. Execution clean.
So we're ready for tomorrow.
That's how I succeed. No risk, no story.
Right now, this is an easy screen.
Account before chasing the grind. It's not about
That's
winning
awesome.
every single trade. It's about surviving.
It's gonna be a good day.
And getting paid. Liquidity zones, I see where they lie. Fake outs happen, that's part of the ride. Stop loss, hit, I reset, no stress. Next clean setup, I execute best. Session by session, I know my time. Asia, London, NY Prime. I don't overtrade just to feel alive. One good trade, that's how I thrive. Journal my trades, I track my edge. No shortcuts here, I build my ledge. Day by day, I sharpen the blade. Consistency built, not local fade. No chasing green, no fear of red. I trust my system. Inside my head, no risk, no story. No risk, no story. I don't chase money, I master the role. One setup, one focus, that's all I need. Execution clean, execution clean.
So on the daily, it's looking really good. If this candle finish down here, that's gonna be awesome. That's gonna be expecting the market to continue lower from here for oil.
Losses don't break me, they teach me more. Every mistake I correct at the core. This ain't emotion, this ain't a guess. This is a system built for success. So when they ask how I made my way, I say I showed up every single day. No shortcuts taken, no story fake. Just discipline and decisions I make. was not luck, it was endurance. It was falling down and rising again. It was looking fear in the face and saying, you will not stop me today. So many sleepless nights, staring at the chart in silence, with my soul torn into pieces, but my mind still full of guidance. While others gave up early, I kept grinding through the pain, because the dream I carry deeply is not something bought overnight. I have felt defeat breathing right behind my neck. I have doubted my own strength when the wreck kept bringing pressure, but inside my chest there is a fire that never lies. I was built to keep on fighting, even when this life gets harder. And if I fall, I rise again. If I lose today, tomorrow I come back with faith. I did not come this far just to watch myself break. My destiny is not for sale, because I fear mistakes. I will not give up, even if it hurts to keep going, even if the world keeps telling me that I will never make it. I keep fighting in silence, with my soul still burning bright, because I know one day it will be real. I see for traitor, no risk, no story. If there is no battle, there is no glory. Every fall keeps fighting me, every scar becomes my memory. I stay solid, I stay breathing with my head always held high, because I know one day it will be real. Trading taught me self-control is worth much more than noise. It is not the impulsive one who wins, it is the one who holds the course. Every stop was a lesson, every arrow a warning sign. Every candle kept shaping more patience, more strength, more discipline. It is not about lucky moments or a sudden miracle. It is discipline in the shadows when nobody sees the sacrifice. It is moving on when you are broken, when
I was waiting for the pullback to the 20 MA. So we are green everywhere on all the accounts, and we passed this one, and we are ready, upgraded to funded. We got take profit on 25,600. We got my funded future that we passed already, so we're not touching that one. Let me disconnect that one. Let me disconnect that one so we don't have to touch it. Then we have Lane, Lucid, Alpha Future, and take profit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts. 5. Let me activate the copy trading. Okay, this is my copy trading. Okay, we have here all the accounts. Okay, we're gonna take this off. We're gonna take this off. So we're gonna take profit as a main. Slave and slave. And a slave. And take profit the main. Yep. Yep, we are set up. Okay.
Some mornings the market hits you without a warning. The
Now this trade probably gonna let it run a little bit more, but we have here a possible retracement, a pullback to this area here before continue lower. And by the time the price here, probably the 200 EMA is gonna be around here too. And we have the price on a big range too. If you want to take this area here, that's a range. If it is the bottom of the range and the price pull back to here, and maybe we can take a short trade from here. And not to focus on the range and focus more on the pullback to this area to continue lower from here. Anyway, from here I'm gonna take a trade, a small trade, 1 micro, and then we go from there.
Take it dry. No me voy a rendir, though the chop bleeds red. No me voy a rendir. These words live in my head. Every loss I took was the price I paid to grow. No me voy a rendir. I will not let go. I'm Lassie for trader, with faith and with fire. No risk, no story, and I'm still standing higher, 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 higher. Lust for trader, no risk, no story. This is not easy money. This is mental warfare. This is discipline. This is pain. This is pressure. They sold you the dream, the trade that makes you rich overnight. They're pushing a couple buttons, somehow makes your future bright. But nobody says the truth, nobody tells the cost. That this game will test your soul and make you feel completely lost. This is not fast money, that's a fantasy they sell. This is the hardest way to try to build your life up well, because the winner isn't loud and the winner isn't hype. It's the one who controls emotions when the pressure starts to bite. A lot of people into greed, very few survive the pain. Everybody wants the millions, very few can take the strain. Seeing red inside your account and still standing with control. That takes something deep inside you, that takes power in your soul. This is not just about winning trades, it's about not breaking when everything shakes. It's about falling, adjusting, standing tall, looking fear in the face and not running at all. It's not easy, not a game, not luck, not glory. This thing burns inside your mind and rewrites your story. Trading is not a shortcut, it's pressure, pain and worry. Life's a for trader, no risk, no story. It's not easy, not quick cash, not a road to easy money. It's losing, learning, rising up when life turns ugly. If you can't survive the storm, you will never touch the glory.
So I think the market's gonna go to the pullback that we was talking about. Before continue higher, before continue lower. We are green everywhere tonight.
chase and shine without the grind. Hear you bleed in silence, hear you build in pain. Every loss you truly study is a step not all in vain. It's not
That is a nice entry right here.
luck, not glory. This thing burns inside your mind.
I can take that because I don't know when that pullback is gonna happen, if it's gonna happen. So every time I got a trade, I need to take it. The price take the bottom of Asia or the 9 and put back inside here. I take that order off. I don't like it. No. How you guys doing tonight? Tomorrow we're gonna have a really nice stream. I'm going to be streaming with Nisi. We're gonna start at 8:30 in the morning. At that time, I'm gonna start getting ready for the Ninja Trader competition. That will be starting at 9:30 for $100,000 for the first place. I was invited because on the last round, out of 10,000 people, I finished on the spot 32. And so far for this one, we are 114 people, I think. Long nights, sacrifice, steady mind, no applause. Because the ones who want it most learn to hold their ground. I left no route for escape. I gave no seat to fear. When you decide with your soul. We are short again, but like I say, only one micro because this market can pull back to the 61% anytime. Before continue lower. Copying all these accounts right now. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 account. You see? It's pulling back. I think I'm risking like $80 here. Nothing crazy. $65 I'm risking here. Let me bring it to 75. Yeah, 75. So I'm risking $75 on this trade. Maybe this is gonna be the pullback to 61%. Clarity, this is knowing my destiny. Doesn't negotiate with comfort, because the one who always keeps a way out in reserve
never gives his full
to go all the way down here to the preload.
no plan B. Now I know everything great in my
Preload is
life
right here.
began when I made it so. No plan B, only evolution, only moving forward, even when the room goes dark. If fear shows up, let it watch me.
And then we're going to be adding to that position.
For retreating what I choose. No plan B, that's my decision. I didn't come to try for a while. I can't
That preload is not real because
not everybody understands what it means to go all in.
it's right here.
But the ones who go far
Okay, yeah, it is here.
be alive. That's for a trader. No risk, no story. No risk, no story.
I add another micro there
No risk, no story.
because
No
the
pressure,
way it's
no
pushing, I
glory.
like it.
That's for a trader. This is bigger than money. This is legacy. Yeah. I didn't come to play small or live confined. I came to break my
So here we got all
live
5 positions.
stronger mind. A lot of people talk dreams, but few pay the price. I learned greatness is built in silence, not hype. Long nights, steady mind, vision under tension. While the world was sleeping, I was building intention. It wasn't luck, it wasn't magic, it wasn't fate. It was falling, rising stronger, and refusing to break.
And we can see that too here on the dashboard. So we see here that we passed the 2 account.
Just watch by. If the dream is way too big, that only means it's worth the.
This is how we're doing right now.
I already chose my road because the realest stories ever written come from the ones who go. No risk, no story. That's the way I live. If there's no pressure, there's no glory. If there's no faith, there's nothing to give. No risk, no story. That's my mentality. I was never born to hide. I was born to leave a legacy. If I fall, let it be fighting. If I win, let it be writing. Something real, something that lives in me. No risk, no story. Yes, who I'll always be. Yeah, yeah. I don't want a victory that cost me no heart, or a road without battles, or a blessing that's false from the start. I wanna look back one day and clearly see that I never let go of the fire growing in me. Yeah, because risk, when taken right, is not madness, it's vision. It's believing in what you see before it has a position. It's stepping into pressure and refusing to bend. It's moving forward anyway when the road wants to test. And yeah, there were hard days, nights full of doubt, moments where my soul had to figure itself out. But the one who learns to endure with purpose and control turns every scar he carries into part of his soul. I don't want a lukewarm life. I didn't come to just watch by. If the dream is way too big, that only means it's worth the climb. Let them talk at the
Pushing nice.
I already chose my road because
Low it.
the realest stories ever written come from the ones who go. No risk, no story. That's the way I live. If there's no pressure, there's no glory. If there's no faith, there's nothing to give. No risk, no story. That's my mentality. I was never born to hide. I was born to leave a legacy. If I fall, let it be fighting. If I win, let it be writing. Something real, something that lives in me. No risk, no story. Yes, who I'll always be. Yeah. Not every risk is reckless. Not every caution is peace. Sometimes the greatest danger is never daring to leave, because living without trying is also a kind of defeat. And I did not come into this world to disappear quietly. No risk, no story. Now I understand the strongest kind of life is never lived half planned. No risk, no story. That's the direction now. Taking conscious risks with discipline and vision somehow. If fear comes knocking, let it watch me rise, because the ones who never dare never have a story worth the time. No risk, no story. Write it in my skin, cause everything I want, I'm going out to get within. Without risk, there is no story. Without pressure, there is no growth. Without decision, is no destiny. Last for trader. No risk, no story. No revenge, just rules. No revenge, no emotion, just structure, just rules. Lasted for a trader. No risk, no story. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, hey. I used to take a loss and turn it into war. Like every red candle, man, I had to settle the score. I thought getting it back fast was strength in disguise, but revenge on
Let's pull him back again here. I think it's gonna do the pullback to 61% soon. Maybe, I'm not sure. It's trying to go lower 3 times already, and this pushback, I don't like it. Yep, it's going straight there. Going to add one more micro right there, because this last microphone here is like $10 only. But if you go around from there, that's gonna be a big, nice runner. So probably I'm gonna be losing like 20-30 bucks on this account if you take me out. Look at that. That close from there is like another 10 bucks. Those two that I add here, from here to here, is 5 points, so it's 10 bucks each one. But with this price go all the way down again, that's gonna be a really nice trade. Okay, so I think on 30 bucks, 40 bucks, 24 bucks. That's good. Not enough. I was playing with the money that I already have win before. So that's good.
Just a trader who protects his mind has less to lose.
So now it's gonna pull back to the between the 61 and 74%. So about this area here, and then we can go short from the 200 MA.
Time to enter the market. Lassie for trader in the building.
How you guys doing tonight? Any profit? Any stop loss? How you guys doing tonight? Any trade so far? Just waiting? What? I'm planning to have a giveaway 5 account as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers.
That's the truth, man. Lost lock tight, I don't cry over one red candle. Fear is temporary, discipline is the only handle. While others are dreaming, I'm executing every single day. Every loss is tuition, every win paves the way. Tell me you just gonna sit there watching, or you gonna risk it all to change your whole damn life. No risk, no story. No risk, no glory. Lassie for trader, rewriting the story. No risk, no story. Lose small, win big, that's the victory. Lassie for trader, this is my story. Yeah. They say I'm crazy for risking all my capital. I tell them no fire, no steel. That's the principle from 0 to 6 figures, step by step, no shortcuts. The market is a beast, but I'm the one who tames it. Lassie 4 in the chat, leaving footprints that last forever. If you risk nothing, you'll end up with nothing to remember. No risk, no story. Lassie for trader. This is your story now. Go take the trade, or stay on the sidelines, watching mine. Yeah. Market never lies. Yeah. They said it was easy to get rich overnight. Just buy some alerts and you'll be alright. But the market collects on every mistake, and the one who ignores risk is already too late. No shortcuts exist, no magic signal to follow. Just data and discipline, hard truths to swallow. Stay whole when it's red, stay humble when it's green. The market always teaches before you know what it means. The market never lies, it never will. You're the one deceiving yourself.
Never lies.
No risk, no story, no glory without pain. Lassie for trader, back in the game. The market never lies. Lassie for trader. Stop, got hit. Reverse got triggered. Didn't curse the screen. I figure went back to the chart. Reviewed the setup. The crime isn't losing, it's not showing up. Every candle is a message, every wicked truth. Every belly managed trade, a moment of proof that the market speaks its language loud and clear. And the trader who listens has nothing to fear. No shortcuts exist, no magic signal to follow. Just data and discipline, hard truths to swallow. Stay whole when it's red, stay humble when it's green. The market always teaches before you know what it means. The market never lies, it never will. You're the one deceiving yourself, that's the deal. No risk, no story, no glory without pain. Lassie for trader, back in the game. The market never lies. Lassie for trader. When the world
Kind of pushing higher so far.
possible, remember the impossible is irresistible. No risk, no story.
would like to see it coming to this area and touching the 200 MA, and we can go short from that 200 MA. Pushing lower from there. Let's see how far it's going. Okay, it's pushing higher from here. I would like that price to come back all the way up here, and then we can go short from the 200 MA. And that trade, we're gonna let it run that baby.
Asian session live.
Living the dream.
Broadcast in the air.
No risk, no story.
I'm always there. Oil and future.
The market binds us.
Passion unites.
That's it for a trader.
Burning these nights.
Oil rises.
Futures glow bright.
The ones with a plan.
They win the fight.
No risk, no story.
And this is our glory.
Trying to push higher.
One day,
Waiting for the pullback to the 200 MA around that area. That is gonna be between the 50 and 61% retracement before the price continue lower. If it's gonna continue lower from there or continue higher.
yeah. For the longest time, it felt like noise in my head. Same chart, same lesson, same fear, same red. I kept showing up even when it felt blind. Trying to build order out of a war in my mind.
You only have
Nights I thought I was missing the
7 likes tonight.
game was not meant for me. me, but I stayed with the process.
Come on, guy, we can do better than that. This is free.
Wasn't one moment, now some lightning in the sky. It was repetition, turning confusion into sight. One lesson on another, one scar and a one shift. Until one day, I felt it. Something clicked. Not perfection, not ease, just a different kind of clarity. Not because the game changed, but because I did. In one quiet day, it clicked. One day it clicks. One day you see all the
I like that push.
what you needed to be. One day it clicks. The fog starts to clear, and the thing that once broke you starts turning into skill. One day it clicks. Not fast, not free, but earned through the weight of consistency. One day it clicks. That's how it begins, when discipline and truth finally settle in. I stopped trying to force what wasn't ready to land. Stopped trying to rush what needed time in my hands. I stopped looking for secrets outside of my frame and started building sharper habits through the strain. That's when I noticed the mind felt more still. Less war in my chest, more trust in the skill. The chart looked the same, but I saw it more clean, because the biggest shift that happened in me. And maybe that's what nobody tells at the start, that the breakthrough comes slowly and works through the heart. That it's not one big when it suddenly lifts. It's becoming the person for whom the game clicks. Not perfection, not ease, just a different kind of clarity. Not because the game changed, but because I did. In one quiet day, it clicked. One day it clicks. One day you see all the pain was shaping what you needed to be. One day it clicks. The fog starts to clear, and the thing that once broke you starts turning into skill. One day it clicks. Not
It's pulling back, guys. It's pulling back.
of consistency. One day it clicks. That's how it begins, when discipline and truth finally settle in. It doesn't click because you begged for it. It clicks because you stayed long enough to become ready for it. That's the shift, not luck, not hype, alignment. One day it clicks. Now I understand.
It's doing really good.
Shortcuts, it was about
Now we need to pass above the 50%
pressure and pain.
and see if we can get all the way to 200 remain.
And again, one day it clicks. Write it in the soul, because what once felt broken can become a kind of gold. One day it clicks. That's the truth I live. Sometimes the greatest moment is when the mind finally gets quiet enough to listen. It didn't happen overnight.
Yes.
It happened after enough nights that I stopped being the same person. Last of a trader, no risk, no story. Hey, look at me. You're not
Yeah,
quitting
that's
over
not true.
$148. Do you know how many times life has knocked us down? And we're still here. Don't call me crying, saying it's over now, saying you're done chasing dreams because one account blew out. That doesn't define you. That's not who you are. The strongest people fail before they ever went far. The market hits hard, cold, with no sympathy, but fear can't be the thing controlling your energy. Don't trade for the money, trade to become better, because money disappears but mine to last forever. That 148 is gone, let it stay in the past, bury it where it
Guys, look at that. How beautiful that pullback.
and get back in the fight, because nobody builds a future giving up overnight. I need you focused, calm, intelligent. Keep the panic out, keep your head in it. You've come too far to fold on this. One bad day doesn't end like this. Don't quit now, the story's not over yet. Falling down isn't losing.
control and fear is wrecked. More accounts than bad goals. You got talent, but you have to believe it, 'cause nobody's coming to hand you your dream. Life doesn't reward the ones who run when it hurts. It rewards the ones who stay standing through the worst. And yes, there are bad days, there are losses, there are nights when you think I can't do this anymore. But those exact moments shape the one who stays. They cut away the doubt and make a harder name. I don't wanna hear I'm just gonna get a job, because
So we touched the 50%. Now let's see if we're gonna make it to the 200 MA. That would be nice, and try to get all the way up there. Let's sure from up there.
On the charts, breathe, my brother. The market comes and goes, but your mind stays strong. Lassie for trader, one love. One love trader, no risk, no story. No risk, no story. Lassie for trader, we keep it glory. One love trader, patience in the heart. No risk, no story. Lassie for trader, we rise with the sun. Market goes up, market goes down. That's the natural cycle. Don't get caught by FOMO, keep your calm like an idol. Breathe deep when the red candles fall heavy and hard. Protect your account like treasure, that's the winning card. Smart, consistent steps like waves upon the shore. Plant the seed today, tomorrow you reap much more.
No, yo la llamé, no contestó.
No risk, no story. Live and elevate. One love trader. No risk, no story. No risk, no story. Lassie for trader, we keep it glory.
Guys, look at that. How beautiful. How beautiful.
We rise with the sun. When drawdown comes like a storm upon the sea, hold your position, don't sell in panic, stay free, cut your losses quick. Let the winners run long, that's the law. The trader who lives abundant and strong. Don't chase that quick rich, that's just illusion and pain. Build your castle with bricks of discipline again and again. The sun always rises after the hardest rain. Lassie for trader, no risk, no story. This is the culture we maintain. One love, one risk, one story. Choose wisely. One love trader. One love trader. One love trader. Another reason
Wow, we got a really deep pullback.
for trader. No risk, no story. Another account gone, another hard hit. Another late night asking why did I do this? I knew the rules, but I still crossed the line. Let emotion take the wheel. Now I'm paying with time. Started with a plan, but the pressure got loud. Small loss turned heavy when I traded too proud.
Look at that, guys.
It obey, but the chart doesn't care what I need that day. I watched the numbers drop, but the silence expand like the screen was exposing what I still didn't understand. It wasn't bad luck, it was me in the way. Same war, same mistake, different account to pay, and it hurts every time it falls. Built with hope, then lost it all, but deep inside through all the doubt,
What a
I still
pullback.
hear a voice say, build again now. One more count, one more scar, one more lesson.
That's a deep pullback. Look at that. Came to pull back all the way up here. Look at that. That's a deep pullback.
Trade became five, then revenge to control, and the hunger for recovery keep draining my soul. No one really sees what this pressure can do when your dream feels close, but keeps breaking you too. You start doubting your gift, your edge, your worth. Like every red candle is a curse on your work, but pain is a way, it's stripping the lie, showing who you are when your pride runs dry. And maybe this loss wasn't here just to break me, maybe it came to rebuild what discipline makes me. And it hurts, I won't pretend, losing again cuts you within, but something stronger survives the doubt, and it tells me quietly, fight your way out. One more account, one more scar, one more lesson written on my heart. Fell down again, but I'm not done. I still see the place where I belong. One more account burned in the flame, but I refuse to let it kill my name. If I lose it all, I'll still stand tall, 'cause one more account won't end it all. I lost another account.
Now I had to wait because that's a really deep pullback.
Success won't come without
I was not expecting that big.
I'm still alive, I'm still building. The market took, but it also showed the trader I must become to carry the load. One more account, one more fight, one more reason not to quit tonight. Broke down again, but not my soul. I'm still chasing everything I know. One more account gone in the fire, but it only made my focus rise higher. I've lost before, I'll rise once more, 'cause one more account won't close this door. Another reset, another lesson, another chance to become who I said I'd be. Lasted for a trader. No risk, no story. Lasted for a trader. No risk, no story. One more candle, one more chance. Yeah. One more candle, one more shot. But I do not force what the market is not. I do not jump in just because I feel the heat. I wait for the moment where probability speaks. I have seen accounts die from chasing desire, seen traders burn from emotional fire. They won 10 trades in a single run, then they get trapped when the pressure comes. Calm in my hand, fire in my brain, ice in my soul when I read the whole frame. If there is no edge, I stay right where I stand, 'cause money respects the discipline, man. One more candle, and I Not every breakout deserves an entry.
Okay.
Not every strong move is
Keep
really
pushing.
friendly. So many fake outs, so many traps. That is why I study before I attack. Risk reward clear and the risk controlled. I do not want noise, I want something solid to hold. If I lose one trade, I do not lose my way, because one clean system is built to stay. Today we win, tomorrow we learn. The market will burn whoever does not discern. The one who can master what he feels inside will outlive the reckless every time. One more candle, and I am still right here, reading the chart, seeing it clear. One more candle, I do not chase or fall. Asset for trader, ready for it all.
Keep pushing higher, higher, higher.
Lossy for trader. No risk, no story. Pain before profit. Red candles burning, account bleeding red, another stop loss hit, another dream half dead. Watch my equity crash while my confidence cracks. Sleepless nights at the charts, feeling the knife in my back. Months of grinding, months of losing streak. Every setup failed, every plan fell weak. The pain cuts deeper than any drawdown shows, but deep in my chest the warrior still grows. It hurts like hell, yeah, the pain is real, but quitting now would make every scar worthless still. No risk, no story, no pain, no glory. This pain won't break me, it only makes me fight. I fell 1,000 times, but I'm still standing tonight. No risk, no story. I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing. I turn every failure into fuel until I see my dreams succeeding. No risk, no story. They laugh at my losses, they call me insane, but every red they taught me unbreakable rules in this game. I've been down in the trenches, felt the weight of defeat, yet I rise every morning ready for war on repeat. The market doesn't care about feelings or tears, so I swallow the pain and conquer my fears. One day these losses will be stories I tell, when my account's printing green and ringing the bell. I may bleed today, I may break tomorrow, but I'll never surrender, never drown in sorrow. Every failure is training, every loss is a lesson. This is my obsession, I will make it no question. No risk, no story, no pain, no glory. This pain won't break me, it only makes me fight. I fell 1,000 times, but I'm still standing tonight. No risk, no story. I'm not stopping, I'm not quitting. I keep pushing through the fire till I own the whole damn empire. No risk, no story. Lossy for trader. No risk, no story. I fell, I learned, I rose. Pain before profit.
Market's getting
I'm coming back
a little
strong.
consolidation right there.
Another red day, another lesson, another scar on the mind. That's a for trade. No risk, no story. Another night staring at the chart, barely breathing, just feeling heavy, eyes locked, mind overthinking. I wanted it fast, I wanted it all right now, but the market never spares.
Waiting for that
Don't
push.
know how to slow down. I watched one account fall, then another survive the noise inside that burned alive. I wanted to quit, I wanted to run, but something in me refused to come undone. This is the pain of a traitor, the price of chasing something greater. Red candles burning through my soul, but I still fight, I still want more. Pain of a traitor, scars in my mind, losing again, but I won't stay behind. If I survive what this game showed me, one day this pain will build the real me. There was anger in my hands, anxiety in my sight, trying to win it all back but only losing the fight. Revenge dressed up like this one's gonna pay, but ego in this business only blows you away. Nobody tells you about the emptiness after you lose, that silent kind of damage when you don't know what to do. You just sit there staring at the screen in the dark.
Getting really consolidation right there.
Somewhere in the chaos something started to rise, a voice deep inside me that was done with the lies. It said this doesn't end if you learn how to see. The first account you need to fix is your mentality. And nobody saw what I contain, the hidden weight.
That was a big pullback after.
The bottom, I felt the fall, but from that fire I found it all. This is the pain of a traitor, the price of chasing something great.
Do another consolidation
Burning through my soul, but I still
on that area.
still want more. Pain of a traitor, scars in my mind, losing again, but I won't stay behind. If I survive what this game showed me, one day this pain will build the real me. It was never the chart, it was my mind. It was never the setup, it was my hunger out of line. It was never bad luck, it was lack of control. And I learned
I would like to see the price go down under the 220 MA so I can go short from there.
the pain of a traitor, dark nights turning me into a maker. Lost some accounts but not my name, I'm still alive inside the flame. Pain of a traitor, now I see the market was exposing me. And if I master what I feel, one day the comeback will be real. I lost money, but I found the truth. The market never hated me, it only exposed what I had to improve. Lasted for a trader, no risk, no story. It's not what you make, it's what you keep and what you grow. Yeah, yeah. You work all day, but the money's gone. Hits your account, then it moves on. Small little spends you don't even track. End of the month, you're right back. Big dreams, but no control. Impulse buys keep killing the goal. You wanna win, but got no plan. That's how you stay where you began. It's not luck, it's not chance, it's discipline with your finance. If you don't change the way you move, you'll just work and never improve. Pay yourself first before you spend. Save a portion, don't pretend. Make your money, start to work, or you'll be working till it hurts. Protect your capital, don't play blind. If you don't get it, stay out, take time. The one who protects is the one who wins. Pay yourself first, again and again. Again and again. Yeah, not everything you want you need. Learn the difference, that's the key. Live below what you can afford, that's how you build. That's your reward. Money sitting still won't grow. You gotta move it, let it flow. Smart investing, step by step. Not every move is a safe bet. Take advice from those who've done it right, not the ones just chasing
the one who wins. Pay yourself first, again and again. No magic, just decisions. No luck, just precision. Wealth ain't what you show, it's what you keep and grow. And grow.
Pressure built me. Pressure didn't break me, it built me.
Just keep pushing higher and higher.
Every heavy season, every dark night, every hard lesson added something new to me. Lasted for a trader, no risk, no story. Pressure built me in the nights no one could see. When the weight got heavy, but it didn't bury me. When doubt got loud and the road turned cold, I learned how to stand without losing my soul. It wasn't comfort that taught me how to rise. It was pressure in my chest and fire in my eyes. It was carrying the vision when the room felt
Okay, let me see if it's gonna pull back to the maybe 61% on the 15 minute. That is it, right? On the 200 MA here. Maybe it's going there.
Shaping the man. I used to think the heavy days were there to slow me down, but now I know they came to show me solid ground. Cause easy times don't always reveal your frame, but pressure will show you if your core can take the strain. It pushed me past the version of me that wanted ease, past the weak excuses and the need to always please. It taught me how to breathe when the pressure climbed, and how to keep the mission clear inside my mind. So now I don't run from the weight when it arrives. I know some of the best parts of me were made inside, not because pain is good, not because struggle is the goal, but because surviving pressure gave structure to my soul. It made me sharper, made me see who I really am when it's not easy. It made me deeper, made me strong, turned every hard season into where I belong. Pressure built me, that's the truth. It turned my pain into something I could use. Pressure built me, made me rise through every storm that tried to close my eyes. Pressure built me, didn't make me run. It taught me how to carry what I've become. Pressure built me, now I understand the weight I once feared was shaping the man. Some people break when life gets loud, some people hide when the pressure crowds, but I learned to stay, to breathe, to stand, to let the heat build stronger hands. This pressure is not always punishment. Sometimes it's preparation. Sometimes it's life building your foundation. Pressure built me, I know that now. Every wound, every weight, every lesson somehow. Pressure built me, gave me sight, turned hard seasons into disciplined life. Pressure built me, made me whole, gave more structure to my focus and my soul. Pressure built me, that's my reality. I was not destroyed by the weight, I was built by adversity. The pressure didn't come to end me, it came to reveal me. Lasted for a trader, no risk, no story. Psychology pays more. Same chart, same setup, different mind, different result. Lasted for a trader, no risk, no story. Yeah. A lot of people chase the formula, the trick, the sign. Like money only comes from something technical every time. But I've seen the same truth play out again and again. Two traders, same setup, different minds within. One enters with calm, the other enters with stress. One follows the plan, the other trades the mess. And that's where the difference shows in a way most ignore. Winning is not just knowing, it's knowing how to endure. Because an untrained mind can ruin any edge, turn something clean into a reckless bet. You can have the best strategy, the perfect place to start, but if you can't control yourself, it all falls apart. It's not just the chart, it's not just the read, it's how you react when the losses lead. It's not just the entry, it's not just control. Psychology pays more than anything outside your soul. Psychology pays more than the setup, more than the sign. Because if your mind can't hold the line, you can ruin everything that should be fine. Psychology pays more than speed, more than trying to predict. The real edge lives in inner peace and not letting your own mind sabotage what you see. I've lost more to my emotions than I ever lost the charts. Through rushing, doubting, or trying to force the parts. And I had to face the truth without dressing it in pride. The most dangerous enemy knows how to speak from inside. It says enter now, it says don't let it go. It says win it all back even when you already know. And if you can't command that voice beneath your skin, you end up losing the account, the energy, and what you built within. That's why I don't chase looking invincible anymore. I want a steady mind that can hold the floor. Because the trader who wins is not always the fastest to react. Yeah, sometimes it's the one who doesn't betray himself when it's time to act. It's not just the chart, it's not just the red, it's how you react when the losses lead. It's not just the entry, it's not just control. Psychology pays more than anything outside your soul. Psychology pays more than the setup, more than the sign. Because if your mind can't hold the line, you can ruin everything that should be fine. Psychology pays more than speed, more than trying to predict. The real edge lives in inner peace and not letting your own mind sabotage what you see. The winner is not always the one who knows the most. It's the one who controls himself when pressure gets close. It's not the one who forces more, it's the one who stays aligned. And the hardest battle in trading is mastering your own mind. Psychology pays more. Now I finally see it's not just strategy, it's how I handle me. Pays more than trying to impress, more than needing to prove. Because a steady mind is worth far more than 1,000 entries with no inner truth. Psychology pays more, and I learned it through the pain. The trader who masters himself is the one who starts to win. The market doesn't always punish a lack of talent. A lot of the time, it punishes a lack of emotional control. Lasted for a trader, no risk, no story. Late night charts, quiet room, just you and the screen. Breathe. Lasted for trader.
clear your mind. Lo-fi mindset, thoughts in the rain.
No risk, no story.
Passive for trader, break the chain. Lo-fi mindset, calm in the storm.
No risk, no story.
Passive for trader, this is the norm.
Yeah, this is the norm. Sitting in the dark, red candles on the screen, but my mind stays steady, no panic in between. The world is loud with FOMO screaming buy or sell. I sip my coffee slow, let the setup ring the bell. Every loss is a whisper teaching me to wait. Every win is a lesson, I don't celebrate too late. No revenge, no emotion, just rules on repeat. Lots of for trader, no risk, no story. This is how you beat the heat.
Lo-fi mindset, thoughts in the rain.
No risk, no story.
Passive for trader, break the chain, break the chain. Lo-fi mindset, calm in the storm.
No risk, no story.
Passive for trader, this is the norm.
Yeah. The market doesn't care about your feelings or your dreams. It only respects the trader who controls his inner screams. Drawdown feels heavy like the rain against the glass, but I stay composed, let the compounding do its task. Turn off the notifications, turn on the discipline. Small, consistent moves is how the real ones win. In the silence of the night, the edge becomes clear. Lots for trader, no risk, no story. This is why I'm here.
Clear mind, strong edge, quiet execution. Lo-fi mindset, peace in the chaos. No risk, no story. Lots for trader, this is the boss. Lo-fi mindset,
No
risk, no story. Lots for trader, lo-fi mindset. Lo-fi mindset.
Red days build kings. Green days motivate. The red days reveal. It's not where you see who celebrates. It's where you see who becomes a king. Lots for trader. No risk, no story. It wasn't the easy days that gave me vision. It was the red days hitting hard with precision. When the chart turned against me and my soul wanted to shake, that's where I truly learned what it means not to break. Because in green, anybody can feel untouchable. Anybody talks big when everything looks comfortable. But when it all falls and there's nothing left to praise, that's when you see who was really built to stay. Red days didn't come to take my worth away. They came to test if my fire was real or fake. They came to break the version of me that wanted ease and forge a stronger one with more truth underneath. Because red does not forgive, but it does teach. It strips the noise away and leaves the core beneath. And when everything gets heavy and you cannot pretend, that's when the king comes out that was being built within. Red days build kings, not fake calm and not soft winds. Yeah, red days show you who you are when there's no applause and no bright stars. Yeah, red days build kings with fire in the mind and scars in the skin. Because the one who holds on when nobody sees comes out of the winner on another level within. I didn't learn strength and comfort at ease. I learned it when the account hurt and I still had to breathe. When fear got close and tried to negotiate, something inside me still said, you're gonna keep your faith. Every red candle left a lesson in my mind. Every hard moment made my vision more defined. I didn't enjoy the process, but I learned what it meant. What holds me up today is what once left me bent. That's why I no longer curse the hardest stages. I know they often bring the purest foundations. Cause gold is not formed by running from heat, and character is not built by escaping grief. Because red does not forgive, but it does teach. It strips the noise away and leaves the core beneath. And when everything gets heavy and you cannot pretend, that's when the king comes out that was being built within. Red days build
Hey guys, it's gonna be all for tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna have a long trading session. I'm gonna be trading the Ninja competition, and I'm gonna get some rest and
Not every loss is defeat. Not every red
be
day
ready
means
for
the end.
tomorrow.
Sometimes it is the
See
exact
you tomorrow,
season
8:30 in the morning. Don't miss that.
we've